Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Don't get many of these. It is a 9-seat diesel minibus. Okay, one owner from new, CYGNET Leasing, Health Authority Company. Comes with a printout of maintenance and servicing. Had the wet belt done. It's 2019, so it's a facelift. Ford Transit Custom 2 litre. It's the 320 EcoBlue Kombi L1 H1 Euro 6 9-seat start-stop minibus. Wet belt done. One owner from new, 136,000 miles, £9,495. Now it's in lovely condition, but the entertainment is not working. We think it's the ECU for the satellite navigation and the radio. However, it's lovely. Last serviced at 133,000 miles. Drives beautifully. Got the benefit of the vinyl. Looks like leather, but isn't leather. Covered 9 seats. Never been wheelchair adapted or anything like that. Does have those little side steps for the rear doors, but you know, it's never been adapted. It's a straight from the factory 9-seat transit custom minibus. Okay, so excellent tyre, bodywork this side, lovely. You know, it's done 130,000 miles, loads of tread on that tyre, and a couple of little dents on the bonnet, a few stone chips, but as you would expect for the mileage, but generally nice. Now inside, as I say, electric windows, electric mirrors, in good condition. The seats, it's vinyl leather cloth, looks like leather. Armrest, little cracks in the driver's seat, but it's not. It looks nice from the other side actually. Multifunction steering wheel, freezing cold air conditioning. This screen does not work, it just does not turn on. 2 sliding side doors. Rear air conditioning that works. Nice and clean throughout. This is the seat that tilts forward. I won't tilt it forward, I've only got one hand, but it tilts forward to access the 3rd row of seats. It is all in good condition. Drives really well. Full printout of service history, maintenance printout, lease company, CYGNET Leasing, one owner. So yeah, there's a rear air conditioning unit in that, behind that door there. Nine seats and space for luggage. £9,495 is the price of this 2019 van. It is a clean van, minibus in very good condition. Another excellent tyre. No dents or scratches this side. A couple of tiny little marks on the front wing, but nothing horrible. Front park sensors, rear park sensors. Electric mirrors, electric windows. Nice and tidy driver's seat. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. 134,000, not 136, 134,455 miles. 6-speed manual diesel. Does drive extremely well, but they are well maintained. Obviously, sliding door this side. MOT'd, I think. I'll check the MOT actually. I think it's just been done. We'll check that. But great printout of service history. There's USB connectors down there. I've never noticed that before. Controls for the rear air conditioning there. The aircon that does work, and this does drive extremely well. Minibus, diesel, one owner, £9,495, no VAT. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would then be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.